Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a pumpkin swirl cake. Yes, indeed, fall is upon us. The leaves are falling, rustling on the ground, and pumpkin is everywhere. Including pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, pumpkin lattes, you name it, it is everywhere. So this is a great take on a way to incorporate real pumpkin puree with some pumpkin spice and also some sour cream and make it into a lovely cake. This turns out to be a marble cake, so half of the cake is going to have sour cream in it, the other part has the pumpkin puree, and we're gonna dollop it together so it turns out into this beautiful marble pattern. But have I made this before? Absolutely not. So bake along with me and let's get started. Of course, I was inspired by the song. It's time, it's fall. You know the pumpkin is around, you can hear the call. I don't wanna just give in, but you cannot resist. You will have to eat this. Let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your loaf pan and grease that nicely. Eggs, sugar, beat until smooth. Add in your vegetable oil. Add your vanilla, baking powder, salt, stir together, add in the flour, stir it in, otherwise if I were to turn on the mixer it would be all over the place. I'm going to start this way, get it a little bit mixed in. Now that it's mostly incorporated, I can go ahead and stir it together. Transfer half of the batter to a medium-sized bowl. Using a scale because it should be about 350 grams, but I'm going to eyeball it as well. To half of the batter, add your pumpkin puree and your pumpkin spice. Mix until combined. To the remaining batter, we're going to go ahead and add that sour cream in. Alternating between the two batters, we're going to scoop about a 2 tablespoon portion into the pan in a checkerboard pattern. All right, now we're going to go through it in a figure-8 motion and just once. And this is a fondue fork, but use a skewer or whatever else you have. One decisive figure-8 moment. We are done. That's it. Look how pretty that looks already. Bake for 45 to 55 minutes until a paring knife comes out clean. And then we have the option of making a glaze or a soak. I thought it'd be fun to make a soak, so we're going to do that. It's been the full 55 minutes. Let's take it out. Looks great. Let's check it with a paring knife real quick. Perfect. Let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes and then we'll turn it out. Time to make the soak. Hot water. Whisk that together until melted. Go ahead and add the vanilla too. Brush the soak on top of your pumpkin swirl bread, which came out perfectly from the pan, no trouble at all. Okay, let's cut it and see that marbling. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. A nice checkerboard pattern. Take a look at this slice of pumpkin swirl cake. It looks great. It smells great, but it's all in the taste. Let's give it a try. To be fair, I have to try a piece from the topping where we made that soak. So let's give that a try too. This is a great cake, period. It is moist, it is light tasting, It does taste like pumpkin in the best way possible. So even if you don't buy into the whole pumpkin craze, you will still love this. It is delicious. It's got the mixture of that sour cream cake with the pumpkin side and that lovely swirl. This is a great fall staple, or an all-season staple. Why not? If I can make this pumpkin swirl cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.